Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Java by MK. So today I am going to solve majority element 2. So this is similar to the one problem that I have solved earlier, majority element. So but the difference is here we have to find those elements that appears more than n by 3. So as you can see, this is a this the size of this element is so you can see the size of this element is 7 by 2 means 3. So you can see 2 also is appearing more than 3 times, and 3 also is appearing more than equal to 3 times. Okay, so the answer could be 1 and 2 both, right? So we have that means we have an answer in list. Answer will come in list. Okay, like this. And here also we will have the answer in list. Let me directly put this in output. Okay, now let's write the problem code. So you can see here that we have we could have more than one answers, right? One and two, it could be more than one. Okay, so answer will always come in pair or less than it could be one and two. Okay, so because see, right now I told you that it will be 7 by 3. That means it will be 3. Okay, so you can see this is a size of 7 elements. So if there are 3 then the maximum it can have is 2 elements. Okay, so not more than 2. In any scenario, the maximum any integer array can have majority element with n by 3 scenario is 2 always. So let's assume two values. One will, let's assume both as 0. Okay, done. Next, at the same time, let's consider count 1 as 0, and assume count 2 as 0. Okay, now we have for loop. Let's iterate it from 0 itself. Okay, now there are going to be multiple scenario. First scenario will be if nums of I will be equal to val1, else if nums of I will be equal to val2, else if count 1 equal to 0, else if count 2 equal to 0, and else this these many conditions could be possible. So let's consider what if nums I will be value 1. So in this case we are going to increment count 1 count 1 by plus plus. In this case we are going to increment count 2 by plus plus. If count 1 is equal to 0, then that means we will make val1 as nums I. We will debug this, it will be more clear, and we will make count 1 as 1 this time. Okay, here also val2 will be nums I, and count 2 will be 1, else we will make both as minus minus. Okay, now we will get val1 and val2 both. Okay, now let's consider two like this. Let's check whether these two val1 and val2 is there and how many times there are in this array. In this array, how many times val1 is repeating, how many times val2 is repeating. C2 plus plus. Okay, now we will check, we will have one list. Okay, now we will check if C1 is greater than nums dot length divided by 3. Then let's add list dot add val1. Okay, similarly if C2 is greater than nums dot length divided by 3, then we will add list dot add val2. Okay, now we got the answer. Let's return the list. Now let's run this once. See, we get the majority elements. We can also debug. We have some time, so let's debug this also. See, count 1 is initially 0, count 2 is also 0, I is equal to 0, count 1 has become 1, count 1 has become 2, val2 has become 1, and count 2 also become 1, count 2 has become 2, count 2 has become 3, count 1 also become 3, count 1 become 4. Okay, now C1 is 1, C1 is 2, now C both become 3 3. Now C1 is 4 and both got added. We got the answer is. Thank you for watching.